Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this kit, and it lets us, oh, I dropped some pieces already. It's gonna let us drill some holes and have some countersinking of the, for the screw heads and things like that. So this is kind of it here. It's got all these different sizes. You can kind of see them on there. You can probably read them better than I can in person. But I'll just show you guys how it kind of works. Let's aim you down here a little bit on some wood and a drill. So let's just take this particular one here, and I don't need all the extra collar stuff around it. Let me, I don't know if I can open it up. It comes with a little wrench and everything. So let's just take that out for right now. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So you have your drill bit, and then here you have the little countersinking bit. So what it gives us the ability to do is, you can put it in an impact gun. I just have a regular drill, but let's see, there we go. So if I wanted to drill a hole, like say in here, I could drill the hole through, and then, right, you would normally just have the hole, but then it gives you the countersinking. So now you've got the little countersink part. So it gives you that little divot in there so that you can screw something in and it'll be a flush head. So that's kind of what that gives you the ability to do. So it's got this, got a bunch of different sizes here. You saw from in here. And then it's got these other collars, I guess, so you can do it on your router contraptions and stuff like that. And even has a screw in here, extra plastic, and all these other pieces and parts that make it go. So cool little device. I like it. So thumbs up for me.